Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lucy Dwi Paramita. I'm from class management 11. I will explain about regular verbs and irregular verbs, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers, countable nouns and uncountable nouns, and part of speech. The first, regular verbs, is a regular verb form that has definite roles in forming the simple past tense and past participle of the verb. Example: ate, as. The second, irregular verbs, is a word that characterized by inconsistent past tense and past participle forms. This means that the second and third form of the verb do not change. Example: began, begin, begun. Cut. Third, cardinal numbers are numbers that express the number of objects. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fourth, ordinal numbers are numbers that state the position of an object in a list. For example, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, at usually the end of the word use st, nd, rd, and th. The fifth, countable nouns, used for something that we can calculate using numbers. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Example sentences is I have a brother and 2 sisters. The sixth, uncountable nouns, used for something that we cannot calculate using numbers. For example, water, sugar, rice, eggs. Example sentences is I have a glass of coffee with some bread. Seven, part of speech. Part of speech are elements of words. 8 types of part of speech. The first, noun, are words used to describe things such as people, place, things, and ideas. Example of words are Azka Bandung table. Example of sentences, Putri is my classmate. The second, pronouns, are words used instead and they of a noun or person. Examples are me, you, she, he, we. Example of sentences: he is my good friend. The third, verb, is a word that tells what someone or something does. Example of feed, log, run, dance, and study. Example of sentences: mother is sitting on a chair. Rani and Rina are dancing in front of the class. The fourth, adjective, is a word used to describe a person or thing. Example of beautiful, sad, tall, happy, red. Example of sentences: this ring is beautiful. Fifth, adverb is a word used to describe the why, place, time, and how an event or situation occurs. Example of sentences: his office is behind the building. If his office is behind this building. The sixth, preposition, a word that shows the relationship of nouns or pronouns in a sentence. The sixth, preposition, a word that shows the relationship of nouns or pronouns in a sentence. Example to with by from for on into. Example of sentence. City studies in the library. The second conjunction. Conjunction word used to connect other words, phrases, and clauses. Example and but or because. Example of sentence I like apples and grapes. The eighth interjection. Interjection is a word that expresses a strong and sudden emotion. Example, oh dear, my goodness, wow, ouch. Example of sentences, wow, do you buy it by yourself? OMG, why is this bag so good? That's all the material I can explain. Sorry if there are mistakes in what I said. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.